Oops, my mic was dead. There we go. Good evening, everybody. I got to get my YouTube channel set up. Give me just a minute there. Yeah, there are some comments that are blocked by YouTube that were saying promo SM or something. What's up, Christine? What's up, SH737? Welcome, everybody on TikTok. Welcome, everybody on YouTube. We're doing PM signal callouts for tomorrow trades. Today is Tuesday, but it's the 6th. 2/6/24. We'll be going over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that stuff. Just hang in there one more second. I'll have it done. Yeah, I'm not self-promoting what I do. I'm telling you what I have available on add-ons. I can give 2 fucks less. I'm sorry, people are going to get pissed at that. If you guys buy anything from me, I can care the fuck less. All I care about is trying to help you all make money, and you guys buy or don't buy. I don't give 2 shits. I trade on my own. I don't need you all. I'm very happy with what I do in my life. People over there self-promo. I didn't even know what it meant. Promo SM or something? I don't know. Some kind of slang. These people are just fucking ruin everything in this world. I tell you what. Ruin government, ruin religion. Try to ruin this. Get out of here. So anyway, good evening. Hope y'all had a nice day. Let's see. Current trade going only 1. Made money on those, right? Boom, baby. And that's the only trade we got going right now. Look at the entry. Bop, bippity boo, bippity bop boo. That's the time, date. That's the trade I took with you, or placed the buy stop and did the sell with you live. And there it is. And there's are the results. Bippity bop, bippity boo. Yep, awesome. There's my entry line right there. So look at that just for a second. Good evening, BCM on TikTok. Let's see. What do we have on YouTube? Good evening, Greg. Oh, hold on. I missed a whole bunch of people. Good evening, Tank Dog. T3N Squad. What's up, T3N Squad? That sounds. What's up, Guy Burger? Good evening. Good evening, Annie Leland. Good evening, Amy Lou. Listen, I'm like, nice, Amy Lou. Hopefully you have a nice listen. And boop. There we go. And there we go. All right. Safe trip home. Good evening, George Hyde. Good evening, Ted Parker. Good evening, Fly to the Sky, Jan Flaffy. Good evening, Joe Biga. Good evening, Becky Manderson. Good evening, Jay Parker. Good evening, Paul. Good evening, Doc. Good evening, Ryan Marcus. Good evening, D Nice. Good evening, F Lila. Good evening, Little Joe. Good evening, D Nice. Thank you very much for being on both, D Nice. Don't think I don't remember that, and it's very much appreciative. Thank you for being on both. If you all can go from TikTok, YouTube, and vice versa and give me some thumbs up, I'm going to act on that, I swear. Good evening, J-Roz. Good evening, Tesla. Good evening, El Eno. These are the evening call-outs. I'll be going over those super quick. I'll go over this trade and how I did this trade and how I was able to call out the sell stops for NAS and the buy stop. Ended up being buy, I'm sure. Yeah, there it is. The sell stop for NASDAQ earlier and the US 30 buy. It was very specific, that call out. I did write out for you guys, obviously, earlier today, and they all came true. They all went to the blue line. And then, of course, the 15-minute 1 hours after it hit the 15-minute 1 hour buy then. And that's the trade you're looking at. Very unique trading style. So unique that we are America trademarked. The only trading system you'll find on TikTok and YouTube. And since Tommy didn't create, and Tommy's been trading as long as me, almost 10 years, I'm going to go ahead and say we are the only trademarked safety trade system. So we're the only trading system out there on TikTok or YouTube that has a class 41 trademark. This is the registration number. This is when it was given. It took over a year, well over a year, actually, almost a year and a half. And that is it. We have a trademark for coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth. Class 41, baby. If someone else has it, let me know. I'll quit saying I'm the only one. But right now, thank God, thank God, thank God. The only one. Boom. What's up, Joseph Tamburino? Okay. Pop that away. Let's go into the fact that I am not nor is anyone here a financial advisor. And I can't find my silly old thing I need right here. Nope. Hold on. Oh, so many. It's crazy. Here we go. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Yep. Let's go all the way down here. Legal disclaimer. Please type yes if you understand. I am not a financial advisor. I am only a social media influencer. I never want to be a financial advisor. Never pretend to be a financial advisor. Want nothing to do with financial advising. Please type yes if you understand that. Thank you, BCM. Good enough for me. Taking that one away. Pop. We'll come back to that and teach you all how to trade it. Now, we're going to go make a whole bunch of call outs. I don't expect you all to be able to keep up with this until I'm done. What's up, Shannon Ivory? Good evening. Thank you all for saying yes. Appreciate that. So again, I'm about to make call outs on trades that will get you results, Lord willing, just like you see here. This is a US 30 trade. Let me be clear of what you're seeing. This almost got every possible pip. Look at this. From here to here, 200 and almost 240 pips on one trade. So I'm going to go ahead and say we're going to make a whole bunch of call outs on that. Good evening, Raider Trading. What's up, Ori? What's up, Dr. Harry? Oh, you already said yes. Thank you. All right, so here we go. I'm calling. We're going to call out oil. We're going to call out US oil, UK oil, Amazon, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Here we go. 1 minute buy stop to the US and UK oil. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop, US, UK oil to the 5 minute blue line. 15 minute buy to the blue line, US, UK oil, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute to the blue line. Oh, maybe hit the 30, but I doubt it. So 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, US, UK oil. It's all you need to know. Amazon. Let's see what happened with Amazon today. Bippity boppity boo. 1 minute buy stop it open. Probably after hours, hours. 5 minute, 15 minute buy. Amazon. 30 minute. 15 minute, 1 hour buy Amazon. That's all you need to know on Amazon. XRP in the house, baby. XRP, 1 minute. XRP. I'm just sneaking ahead here. Cool. Got it. XRP, 1 minute sell. XRP forming a 5 minute and forming a 15 minute buy stop to the 15 minute blue line, forming a 30 minute 1 hour sell stop XRP, forming a 4 hour sell stop XRP, daily buy stop, weekly sell stop XRP, monthly buy stop XRP. Yeah, baby. Been recommending that since 30 cents, 31 cents. 1 minute Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin run together. They ride or die. Obviously, you're in a buy right there. Let me see where she's rolling to. Buy off of that too. Interesting. I'm going to go against that though. I'm going to override what it's showing right now. Yeah, that was, God, it's probably going to go up. This has to be a 5 minute. It is 5 minute buy stop. Too late. Ethereum. Whoopsie. Yep, there we go. Nothing you can call on this. It's already moved too much on Ethereum. 15 minute. Too much. 1 hour. Yeah, I would just wait. If anything, it's going to go down to the 1 minute blue line overnight. Ethereum. Yep, beautiful. Daily buy. Daily buy Ethereum. Weekly sell Ethereum. Monthly buy Ethereum. Bitcoin will be the exact same. I won't be able to call anything that's moved too much. Oh, I like to call that, though. Overnight. Wait for it to go overnight. Sometime between here and 9:30 in the morning, you'll see Ethereum and Bitcoin go down to their 1 minute blue lines. But in the meantime, 5 minute buy stop Bitcoin. A little late entry. 15 minute buy stop. The 1 hour today's looking in right now. Buy stop. Daily buy stop Bitcoin. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. coin. GBP, JPY, 1 minute. Stop to the blue line, GBP, JPY. Buy stop to the 1 minute, 5 minute blue line, GBP, JPY, GY. Forming a 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop to the 1 hour blue line, GBP, JPY. 4 hour buy stop. That's all you need to know on GBP, JPY. EUR, USD. EUR, USD, opposite of UDSHEF. EUR, USD, 1 minute buy stop. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line, EUR, USD. Forming a 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop, EUR, USD. 4 hour daily. Daily buy stop, weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line of EUR, USD. Gold, 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line, gold. 5 minute. 5 minute, 15 minute. 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop gold. That's all you need to know. I'll go over SPX and NAS and US 30 in detail. Now I'm going to teach you how I called the US 30 trade as a buy. That was the best buy to do today, and I'll show you how I called that. Very easy. Okay. Let's head over to our trading view charts, if I can find them. Oh boy, where do I have my trading view? Yes. Okay, let's connect. All right. So that was about a dozen different call outs and different symbols. I do that every night, everything. Let's switch over to here. Let's go over 4 hour. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay. Let's go ahead and take this. Let's go ahead and move that so you see a little more room right there. Only chart we're looking at is this chart right here. Zippity dude. Oh, look at that beautiful thing. All right. Here we go. We're going to teach you real quick on, and I'm going to go over in detail the other. But for now, I'm going to go over real quick on how I determined this morning at 5 o'clock in the morning. Well, actually, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. No, it was like 4:45. So right around 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. When I first went on live today, I was able to tell you that NAS was a sell stop earlier and that US 30 would be your buy stop. And lo and behold, here's your answer right here. Let's take a look. In this area right here, let me show you what it looks like. Right in here. Okay, right in that little blob thing, that little purple thing, right? Square rectangle. You're going to see price came down on the 4 hour to our green line right inside this channel. So I don't know when I pull over NAS. Let me see where it falls into. NAS is a little higher. Let me raise this up a little bit. Catch it. Okay. You can watch. So make sure. There we go. So you can see SPX. We always trade SPX and NAS and US 30 as one. It's made for beginners, by the way. This is not hard. It's like trade by numbers. 1, 2, 3. Color by numbers. The same thing. Look. SPX didn't come down to the yellow line today. Didn't come down to the green line. Still went up. NAS eventually went down to the channel and then went up. But US 30 at 5 o'clock in the morning was already down here. So it was the easy call, and I traded it with you. That this is where the buy stop would be the best buy stop of the day. So 7s if you understand that, 9 if you don't. If you don't, I can go over it again with a lot more detail, but it's very easy to do 7s or 9s. Ryan Marcus. What's up, Ryan? Anyone on TikTok understand what I was just saying? Yes or no? 7s or 9s? Annual land. And that's how you determine the best. Because in the rules say determine the best one, and I explain it, but that's how you see it live. Kai, what's up, Kai? BCM, thank you, BCM. Joe Biga. Raider Trader, thank you. All right, guys. Thank you, Annie and Shannon, Jan and Tank and Joe, CV, George High. Thank you, sir. All right, so that's how you determine it. These were technically 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. We'll get into that. But how I knew to call US 30 to go up, I'm assuming anybody, Jorge, who was here this morning when I called buy stop US 30, sell stop NAS, because the NAS kept going down. You had to make a shit ton of money on it. Got it. Brian Claus got it. Great. Anybody here on TikTok? Anybody here? I know some on YouTube or here. Just want to make sure, because the US 30 call, I can go back and play my video, but you guys know that it was called. I was. Thank you, Shannon Ivory. Yep. Okay. Just want to make sure at least one of you caught it. All right. So easy call outs, easy trading day today. I thought it was super easy with US 30. Super, super easy with US 30. Let me go to 1 hour. Let me go to 15 minutes. All right. So I've had several comments. I finally looked at the comments in YouTube, and they said something about self-promo or something, or promo SM or something, whatever bullshit it is. When you guys think I make those signal call outs for you for free for the last 2 years, that's somehow self-promoting myself. That's for you guys to take those signals and make demo money. I've been doing that for TikTok, a year and a half on YouTube. When I tell you what we have available, the scanner room, the sniper rooms, and the signal tiers, when I tell you I have that available, that is not self-promoting. That is telling you guys what I have available. I want you guys to know what you can get. If you call it self-promoting, I can give a fuck less if you buy it. Half the time, I even forget to tell you what. Matter of fact, this morning, I didn't even tell you what website to go to. If I'm self-promoting, world's worst self-promoter. I'm just trying to let you all know what I have available, okay? When I tell you that we're a top 20 store or top 50 store and we're senior ambassadors for Stan, I'm being full disclosure that we make a ton of money from Stan. Stan's like Shopify. It's not self-promoting. When I tell you to unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading, everything you were taught about support and resistance is 99% of the time wrong, that's not self-promoting. That's a fact. Google it. When I tell you to record the sessions, what good is it to me if you record the session? You to learn how to trade so you can speed up your learning process. If you watch it 10 times in a night and you speed up and, oh gosh, I got good news on that. Well, for MetaTrader 4. Record your sessions, play them back 10 times a night, 20 times a night, and you can get your learning curve fast. It's not for me. Okay? When I tell you we have an affiliate program, you think I give two shits if you get an affiliate with me? I don't fucking care. It's like $6 or something I make from Stan. You fucking kidding me? You see how much I'm up on that one trade earlier? I can give a shit less if you guys become affiliates. It's for your benefit. I don't give two, whatever. Do it or don't. When I tell you about the renew early so you don't get interruption of your service, what? Renew or don't renew. Again, what the heck do I care? Don't renew. Yay, you lose, not me. I make trades. I go on my Nadex accounts. I go in my Thinkorswim accounts. I go in my Tradeovate accounts. I go in my 2 Eagle FX accounts. Not using Hugo's way too much or Pepperstone anymore. But I have several accounts I trade with. For the love of God. And I tell you I have 2 stores just because I'm a social media influencer. Do you think I care? Oh, by the way, I got my tank top in. It's gorgeous. Holy shit. The sizes are huge. I normally wear extra larges, and this shirt was huge on me. Huge on me. So, yeah. Do you think I care if you buy a $36 overpriced T-shirt? But it is pretty cool with our logo on it. Or an overpriced hat. I give 2 fucks. Do it if you don't. Oh, Support the things that you believe in if you're doing great. That's self-promotion? People are nuts out there in this world, I swear to God. They're just so weird. No, let me be upfront and 100% with you. I'm trying to help you all make money every day for the last 2 years on TikTok in a year and a half. Whether you're making demo money, that's awesome. That's what I can do because I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I do is to help you guys make money. Do I make money in return? Yes. Is that my number one goal? No. I'm 100% trying to help you all make money. The side effect is me making money also. Okay? I don't think you have stuff where you can care less. You're here to help. Thank you, Jamie Rojo. That is correct. Yeah, I'm giving you away free call outs every day. Signal group where I give out call outs will automatically have an AI. Every day. Well, I shouldn't say that every day. Whenever it forms properly, it's perfect 13 for 13. I gave you a free call out. Those are in the group. The 1 hour, 4 hours, right? Didn't charge you for it. Gave it to you extra, and it made hundreds, 220 pips. Thank you, Dr. Harris. Correct. I know, Shannon. I'm trying to separate you too. How much do I make? A shit ton of money off the stores, and I would say just a little. That's all. Just a little bit of money trading. I don't know. You can go back and watch all my YouTube videos. There's one trade I have going in this one account from today. You know, I start getting up at 3 a.m. to get these morning trades in. Hey, you might have to, Jackson. Give me a sniper process on US 30 trade. Absolutely, George. What's up, El Cabano? What's up, Tommy Toodles? By the way, what I'm showing you right here, Tommy Toodles, he goes by Tommy Toodles, go by thing in the Discord. He's made $166,000 on one trade using the system. Whoo, boy. All right. So let's go over the system's $575 a year. A lot of you are renewing for real. Okay. The sniper is this blue thing and pink thing down here. Delete the other color. I believe it's purple. You only should have 2. And if you renew on TradingView, you only have 2. This is the sniper, blue line, pink line. Okay. This is the 15-minute, right? Yep. This is your US 30. Yep. Let's go down here. Make sure we're here. Okay. So this is earlier today. Zippity-doo-dah. Zippity. So we had to go here, and I explained this earlier this morning, by the way, just so you're all there with it, but you didn't. Some of you weren't here, so I'll go over it again. We have to have 2 out of the 3 in a buy stop position. And on the 1 hour US 30, it was not. So then what does that mean to us? Well, let's go as. Yeah, there we go. So this has, and let me go back to here one more time. Sorry. There we go. All right. So at this time, well, here, tell you what, I'm going to go back. MetaTrader 4 and TradingView are the same. I don't understand how people have problems with that, but whatever. We're just going to look at MetaTrader 4 for the sniper anyways, just because it's easier to see. So let's go up here. Move away, move that out of the way. All right. So today, early today, like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, you're going to see on the 4-hour chart that right here, that US 30 was low. So technically, yep, this is a 4-hour daily buy stop. So what you're going to see today was that this number one, the blue line here, was up high, because you have to do the 4-hour with the daily. So if we go back to the 4-hour, it was hooking downward here with the pink line. So right about here, yeah. And then you have to have that pull. So watch what that means. This right, can I scooch that in a second? Hold on. Right here, this 1 hour is going to be, I shouldn't use this. Hold on. I'll use my ear. Boop. The 1 hour is down low, all the way down here. And because it's a hour, 4 hour, you have to have the 4 hour up high when this trade occurs. So whether it's the 4 hour or the daily, which I hate to use, but we have to confirm the trade, right? So here it is. The 1 hour, 4 hour, the 4 hours on the bottom. Let me make that US 30 because it sure looks awful. Right here. US 30 on the top, 1 hour. So we've converted a 1 hour, 4 hour, but you have to have the retracement. You have to have the logo. It's not good if you don't have both. So the first thing you got to do is this up high at the time, and was it down low? And right here you can see it was up high when this came out. You can see the blue line up high. So number one, let me get rid of this. This is up high, right? And all I care about is these two. I give you the other rules just for confirmations. But is this down low? So we have it on US 30. Do we have that same setup on NAS? Did not. Did you have the same setup on SPX? At the time. We do now, but you didn't at the time. SPX might have. Let's go over to SPX right here. And we did. So now you have SPX and US 30. But when SPX came down, right, it didn't come on its 4 hour as good. So watch. This is what I started. Remember with you guys, watch. See, the SPX candles or price action, fuck candles. Price action only did the skim. It only did the skipping a rock off the yellow line. It didn't go below it. So watch what US 30 did. Boom. You below it and hit the bottom red line. I mean, absolute. You might have a green line right there. There's absolute perfection. So that's how I called the trade, because SPX was good. NAS was not so good. It took a long time to develop. It's developing now. Okay. This is why this is better. I thought I asked you guys to answer that question. But yeah, if you can see that, that's why. Does that make sense? Who was asking that question? George. Does that make sense to you? So SPX was fine. US 30 was better, and NAS wasn't developed yet. I was calling NAS for the sell because NAS had to develop later in the day, and that's why it went up later in the day. Don't forget, when you're dealing with these 1 hour, 4 hour trades, they take forever to develop. Oh, nice. The hoodie looks great. It looks great. I like it. How nice is that? Looks really good. Damn, I think we have good quality products over there. George. Okay, it does. All right. And let's just get rid of that little person right there. Any funny business, anyone coming in, sir, please, all the moderators, all you people, the wrench, just delete anybody that comes in. Good evening, Abiel Cashew. Long time no see, by the way. Kevin truly is a blessing. Nobody does what he does in every aspect. Thank you. Thank you, Ori. Appreciate that. All right. So if George got it, I'm going to go on. So it's just a matter of getting comfortable with the sniper. Oh, and I didn't tell you this, but always trade, George. Always trade. See when it's down low. Look, I told you this was happening. I even told my brother. I said, look what it did before. Look. Pink line low. This is the trade that should have been called by us, wasn't. These gold lines are the golds that were called. Perfection, by the way. But you see how it's down here again? Always take this. Watch. This is US 30 with the pink line low. Watch. It's just coming down now. See it? When it got down here, watch what it looked like. See it? Perfect. Watch SPX. It did it earlier. Boom. You see SPX hitting it down here? Any one of these would have been fine to enter. It's perfection. But again, US 30 was there because it started this curl right there. I hope you see that. Always enter your sniper trade. It'll stop you, even on the 1 minute, from doing a sell stop there because the pink line's already on the bottom. And if you guys can't see, it's drawing out a W right now. You're kind of blind. Jamie Rowe, you should only have these two colors you see right here. I'm calling it pink and blue. What's up, Goroff? What's up, Maria Toller? Did you mention? Yep. The only two lines you should see is pink and blue. Boop, boop. And if you're on TradingView, that's the only two lines you have. Well, it should have. All right. So let's bring this back over again. Pop into here. Let's make this our 15-minute. Let's make this our 1 hour. We're going to check them. Let's check them right now. We want 2 out of the 3 to be one way or the other. I don't care which way, either buys or sells. I have pink, blue, and purple. I just told you what to do. You keep pink and blue. Thank you. Very easy to remove. This is live trading. Yes, some rando. It's definitely live trading. All right, let's take a look here at NAS. Nope, just crossing to come up, and SPX. So nope. So we have sell stops here off of our 15-minute 1 hour. So we can't use the 1 hours because there's no such thing as a sell stop when you're in a buy stop scenario. So all you can do is come over to here and go up to your 4 hour. And now we have number one up high. Yep. Down low. Yep. So that's SPX. Let's see what NAS is. NAS is the same way. US 30 is not crossing. So now you guys want to even get more complicated. You go from a 4 hour to a daily. And yep, it's a 4 hour daily. So my call out for tonight is the same as it was the last 4 nights, I think, in a row. Unofficial 1 minute sell stop towards the blue lines on the NAS, SPX, and US 30. My favorites are still the 1 hour. I want to make sure that we go back down and forming our logo first. I want price to go back to the 1 hour yellow line, then the 15-minute 1 hour buy stops. So let me show you what I look like right here on the 1 hour. Pull this down so you guys don't have to see it. Move this out of the way for you. All right. Right here, you're going to see price action is now way too far away. We need this to hook and come down on the 1 hour. So until this comes back down, I will not enter in any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, or 30-minute buy stops. I don't care that it's called. I don't care that it can go up. We have to follow the rules. The rules are to follow our logo. What does our logo look like? Well, I don't know. Coolest fucking thing ever made, actually. Here, let's go over here. This is our logo. Right here, I can make that a little bigger for you. And actually, go to the safety trade if you want to get it. There's my promo. Watch. You're either going to be looking green up arrow, the red down arrow, and how you find is what I'm teaching you right now. That's how simple trading is. Fibonacci does not work. Fibonacci retracement does not work. Support and resistance does not work. Ascending, descending wedges, look to the left. Volume, VWAP, block trading do not work 99% of the time. Don't believe me, Google it. You'll come up with the actual answer that less than 1% of the time they work. Just so you're clear. Do I think it'll go below the 5-minute line? Well, we have scanners for that. Let's take a look. In a book, Reading Rainbow, I would say you're to look for, and I don't know why I got this confused, you're to look for, once this happens, and play every 1 minute sell stop till SPX goes towards its line or below it, and you're to play every 1 minute sell stop until US 30 goes below it. Then eventually these three will be red, okay? Or going towards it. That's all I tell you. And I will not take a trade until these all do it. Now, after this occurs, then yes, you can start looking at 5 minutes. But you can't do 5 minutes before the 1 minute, Dr. Harry. Please get that through, okay? I know you asked it a lot, but you have to let them form an order. 1 minute are first, then 5 minutes. Thank you, D. Nice, for staying by the damn system. Appreciate it. Okay? Now, let's go over the rules. We have rules. And how do we have rules? And how is that possible to have rules? Well, it's possible because the system is trademarked and it's unique and it works. Take a look. These are all your indices, including oil, gold, and all that in one room. This is our scanner, Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer, the exceptional Keith Palmer coded all this for us. Look at it. There's a new one. GBBR, sell stop. Green arrow spinning and says new means that trade you look for to take. All your Forex majors and crosses, all 8 time frames. It trades better than you, all of you probably, 99% of you anyways, because it's trading just like me on all different 8 time frames, all these different symbols, $50 add-on. I'm not self-promoting. I'm telling you something fucking I have that's available to help you make money. You think $50 a month matters to me? Do you think $50 a month matters? People are nuts in this world. Guys piss away $50 a month on Starbucks, on cookies and donuts, McDonald's. Get the fuck out of here. Why don't you piss it away on something that can actually help you trade better? God dang. Plus 55 different stocks that trades. Look at this. 55 different stocks alone. And it trades with, I say 100% accuracy. You guys determine whether or not it's accurate or not. But I know that what it does do, when it calls out SS1s and BS1s, fuck, it's 100% right. I guarantee you that. Here's a couple of trades right now. Let's see if Forex doing anything. We have a top 10 room too. Yep, there you go. See this? GBB odds, sell stop, 1 minute. Odds Japan, buy stop, 1 minute. GBB CAD, a new one. This is the one you want to buy stop 1, heading to the blue line. Correct call. GBB chef, buy stop. And these are your 5 minutes. And if there was any 15 minutes, it's show. Look at how cool. It's like Christmas every day. Love that shit. Unbelievable. So yes, we're doing, and yes, we're trading over 100 different symbols at once. All right. Oh, cool. No douches. Yay. All right. So how do we actually trade? Let's go over it. What's up, Ted? All right. Let's go over the rules. Our rules are rules. They're not for fun. There's a scanner room for us who says, I know. Remember the one person that came on here and gave me a 7 because I don't call up Forex symbols, and she had the scanner? People are fucking, I don't know. Some people are sillier than other people. You have the scanner and you're asking me, and I call out a dozen trade symbols for you today, and I was calling out symbols for her on top of it, 2 different ones for multiple days. Oh my goodness, people are just funny. I don't know what more I can do for some of you, but yeah, okay. You're right. Calling out a dozen symbols every day for you isn't enough. All right. Hola, Germany. What's up, Germany? Okay, here we go. Our rules. This is exactly how I trade to make money every day. You want to know what I do? This is exactly how I trade. Okay? Step by step. Step number 1, I get up in the morning, always thank God. I believe to my core that thanking God and being grateful for another breath or day above ground helps me trade better. Number 2, second thing I do my breathing with oxygen, red light therapy, cold therapy, grounding, weightlifting, EWOT. And I did all that dry fasting 2 days in a row, by the way. I honestly believe to my core, all of that stuff helps me trade better. You want to know what I do? Third, I look at that H&H scanner, which I just showed you. And I just told you what I'm looking for. 1 minute sell stops, there's written out what I'm looking for. Every day it comes true. Whether it hits the blue lines or not, one did, I'd look for the other 1 minute sell stops towards the blue line. And I would stay in those sell stops until other words noted. Then I would go to the rules every day, go to the rules. 7s if every one of you every day goes to the rules every day. Let me see it. 9s if you don't. 7s if you go to the rules every day and at least read them. You should print them. You should type them out every day. 7 if you do that every day, and 9s if you don't. And if you don't respond, I guess I know that you're not doing it. Jan. The arrow is very tutorial. Help you out a ton. You do look at your rules every day, Jan. Excellent. Philip, you guys will be the successes. There is no answer for 8, Rob. Either a 7, you get it, or 9, you don't. Abiel, wealth creation, Brock Shannon. D, you need to do it, D nice. Ore, 7, BCM 7. Because that's what you need to do. Every day, look at your rules. Every day, reread your rules, reprint your rules. Look at them every day. A, I change them all the time. Well, not all the time, but I'll tweak them here or there. And B, you need to have these memorized. What's up, Blue Tide Acrylics? Yep, you need to get better, Jamie. The more effort you put into the system, obviously, the more you're going to get out of it, right? It's just common sense for anything you do in life. All right, so here's the rules. Everyone needs rules February the 15th. Anyone who bought the system will get these rules. The first thing says, these rules will be updated from time to time. Please keep them handy. Okay, that's pretty specific. Nice. I printed it and translated to German. Great job, Jan. Excellent. Again, good evening, Blue Tide. All right, number 2. Maria told us that's a fact. Good evening, Maria. Yes, ma'am, that is a fact. Because you never know when the signal, this is for the signals, I'll modernize. There's Discord alerts for the signals. The signal service, again, is, and if you think this is self-promoting, I'm proud as fuck that we are perfect in our new signal service, 11 for 11 in January, 2 for 2 in February. We're 100% win rate. And if you think that's promoting, good, because it is. I couldn't be any more proud of that signal service if I coded it with Keith myself. Unbelievable the calls it's making. Unbelievable. And you get those calls in the Discord. There's an example of it. All right. Now, getting back to what we're going to be doing. Right here. Once you receive a signal, or once you're looking for a trade, to trade the signals, to take a trade, you only have 2 steps. You go to the bar charts. You make sure it looks like this. I'll show you what it is. Blue line high, pink line low. The very first time is the best. I'll explain why and how. Then you look for the logo on 1 hour. That's all you do. So let's take a look. Again, we have what and what. Let's take a look. I just did it for you, but we'll do it again. Whatever. Let's go down here. We're going to go to the 1 hour. And we're going to look. Blue line low, that's not what we want. In this particular case, we're looking for a buy. So we're going to go 1, 2. We're going to see if NAS is correct. So that's better. And SPX. So SPX. Let me see that US 30 again. Hold on. No, it is US 30. It's USPX. You can clearly see downloading up high. I'm sorry, we're going to have to make that 4. I keep forgetting that. Let's try that again now. Go again here. There we go. And let me go here. Yep, there we go. All right. So now we had to go to the 4 hour. I was trying to run the 1 hour. That's the rules, but sometimes you have to go up the next hour up. Blue high, low, we're looking for a buy. Why? Our block, you can see the buy stop here. You can see everything's accurate. We have to stay with the buys right now. So we go to NAS. Yep, correct. 4 hour. US 30, not. But all we need is 2 out of the 3. Now, do we have the logo formed? Let's take a look. Logo. What is our logo? I've shown it to you before. Price starts out, comes up, comes back, retraces. Pretty good. Yep, I would say that's okay. That's for NAS. Let's go over to SPX. Nope, not as good, but it still did it. Let's go over to US 30. And you're going to see something so cool. See, US 30 did it earlier and deeper. That's what I was trying to achieve. What's his face on that? George. And that was the better one. Okay. So now we can actually look for a 1 hour up, 1 hour here, 4 hour down here, buy stop. Same principles as the 15 minutes, just 1 hour, 4 hour. So take a look. We have our logo and we have our movement. Let's go down here to SPX and see what it looks like. Yep, correct. So now what do we look at? We're going to do the exact opposite for our little trade here. We're going to make sure this is low. It is. We're going to make sure there's a buy stop, which there is. Henceforth, why you're seeing this go up before your very eyes right now. Boom. And let's see what NAS is doing. Yep. Buy stop, NAS, 1 hour, 4 hour. Boom, there you go. And that's how you read the charts. Literally 4 hour high, twice, pink low. It retraced, kind of good enough for your logo. Definitely good enough on the 1 hour. There's your buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green. It's literally trading by numbers. It's color coded. It's literally made for beginners. It has 1 minute blue line. Oh, okay, cool. Did a ricochet? Oh no, NAS went up. That's fine. Take it. I'm calling, by the way, overnight, which I rarely do. You're probably going to see a nice buy till about 6 in the morning or so. And then it's going to convert, come back down, and you're going to see at least them go to the red line. Specifically, as US 30 will be a sell overnight, I'm sure, before 9:30 tomorrow morning. That's up for 1446. Okay, so that's rules 1 and 2. Rule 1 is go to your 1 hour or 4 hour charts. Rule 2, go to the 15 minute or the 1 hour chart, depending on what you're trading. That's it. Once you find those, then you can go into where your entries are and all that good stuff. There's just a lot of different things there, a lot of tools. Step 2, that's what this is. Boop, boop, boop. Get that out of there for you. Your trade entry is always on the lowest colored line. I don't give a fuck what your color line is. Somebody said, oh, well, my line's green, yours is red, and yours is green. People change magenta and baby blue. I don't know what color your lines are. The lowest line, that's all you're doing. Trade entries, again, lowest line, regardless of color. We'll look for it, or hint, it goes down to the 1 hour lowest line. It loves to do that. Oh, now it's 350 and 80 pips. Nice. Trades 330 and 50 pip run. Nice. That's what you do. You keep those runners running, Jan. Congratulations. I know you're still in demo, but it's still impressive to do. Trust me. Take profits only on demo, 2 to 3 pips. And what Jan was just saying, you let your runners run. Boy, do they. Stop loss at the pivot point, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Then we have specific rule. Right here. If you made a wrong trade, we have a video for you. Honest to God, it's a beautiful video. Best video I ever made. If you actually don't want to get in a bad trade, use the sniper. The sniper, don't enter it unless it's low if you're trying to do a buy stop. Never enter it unless, preferably when pink crosses the blue, that's when you get into the trade. Okay, sometimes see M's and W's, but don't get caught up on that. There are specific rules you'll follow, just how I call them out. I always call the 1 minute first, then the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours. That's the way they develop. Exactly that way. How do you know when a trade finishes? You look at the H&H scanner, it'll tell you. If you don't have the scanner, I would get it. It's $50 a month. It's a free gift from us. That scanner's $500 a month by itself. Bree and I gave it to you for free. You put your stop loss. Again, we explain it. The pivot point. Take the loss if it goes against you, but re-enter the trade. A lot of you are horrendous with that. You put your stop loss out of sight. You expect it to work. I'd put it right below that pivot point on a buy and keep it there. Take profits 2 to 3 pips. Open up 2 or more demo trades. Once you see the one hit it, let the other one go. Never use a trailing stop. It's the stupidest thing on earth. Always move your order up and down about that. I got caught the other day and still made money. Don't trade between 8:15 and 8:45 unless you're an expert with the system, because news comes out and you guys usually get slaughtered. You'll master my system. I forgot who said it this morning, but you'll master the system if you teach 5 to 10 other people. You will be shocked at what you learn. I already mentioned this earlier about recording every time you trade. If your trading is important enough to do, it's important for you to record it. You must unlearn, because if you type in Google, do less than 1% of traders make money, will tell you less than 1% of actually profitable. That's a quote. So you unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading and you relearn my system. Most important of them all, always thank God, always do good with your profits. I have rules for the beginners. And this seems like a lot. This is so simple. I don't know what to tell you. I'm trying to hold your hands and walk you through this, and I give you a video every step of the way. This type form walks you through everything. We have 3 different services. If you think this is self-promotion, please leave now. I don't want you here. Oh, that's real money. Oh, nice. Jan, congratulations. I'm so sorry. I mean to disrespect you. That's fantastic. Does this work on stocks? Let me show you. Yes, it does. Not only does it work on stocks, it actually calls out the trades before they happen when you have earnings. And you literally have a scanner for $50 a month add-on if you want to get it. There's Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Tesla, Airbnb, Apple, Airbnb, AGI, AIG, whatever. I don't know half of these, Baba. And then some of these I don't even know. There's 55 different stocks. It tracks for you. You can do any stocks you can trade on TradingView. You can go ahead and also do. So there you go. Yes, it absolutely does work on stocks. 100% works on stocks. It works, no experience needed. Kind of true. Yep, just follow the rules. Activist is my new best friend. All right. So listen, these are your add-ons. You do not have to get these to be successful. Matter of fact, I didn't release signals for the first 1.5 years on YouTube and 2 years on TikTok. It struggled with it because I wanted you guys to learn to trade. Then it kind of hit me. I go, if I give out the signals, right, $150 a month for tier 1 up to 10, $250 up to 15, and then I'm sorry, we're doing 20 now, 20, and then tier 3 is $350 a month, unlimited signals. And I struggled, didn't want to do this, but now that I did it, I am extremely proud. January, the first month, we're open with these signals. 100% win rate, over 10,000 tips on 11 trades. This month, February, second month, 2 for 2, 100% win rate. Now, we just tested the gold again today. Me and Keith did. The gold signal room will be a free gift from Bree and I to you. Everyone in the signal room will get it for free. It's not in place of, you get 5 additional signals for the gold room if you're in tier 1. If you're in tier 2, you get 10 if there's 10 gold. And I'm telling you, it's accurate as fuck with gold. And it's going to be accurate as fuck with all of them the way I have it coded. Tier 3, unlimited, you will get unlimited gold for free. Add it on. If you're paying $100 a month, you just went from getting NAS, SPX, and US3 to getting gold 2 starting next week without any complications. But I think we're there on gold. A free gift from me and Bree to you guys. Not only is gold going to be free, ERUSD is going to be free. So is GBP JPY is going to be free. So is US oil going to be free. Type understand that you're getting an upgrade for free from Bree and I for signals tier 1, 2, and 3 for gold. And it will happen over the next, I would say by the end of February. You'll have all those firing off for you for free, included, because you're loyal to us, you supported us, we support you. Now, if you're not in gold and you want gold, you'll be paying $150 a month just for gold, $250 a month for tier 2, $350 a month for tier 3. No one understands that? Nope. 7s, please, or I'm just going to call it a night. Do you understand that there's free gift from me and Bree for everyone that's paying for tier 1, 2, or 3? You're getting gold for free. You're getting ERUSD for free. You'll be getting GBP JPY for free. You'll be getting US oil for free. No one gets that? Acula's a 7, BCM's a 7. Okay. Just want to make sure. Goroff 7. Okay. 7. Shannon sneezing. God bless you. All right. Now I'm saving the best for last on the signals. And I am going to tell you this over and over again. It's called the Holy Grail trade. I don't know how to put it other than I've been trading for almost 10 years. Every trade I used to trade, every time I put a trade in, it would reverse on me. I'd lose. That was the first 5.5 years of my trading career. Every trade would lose. Okay. So when I tell you that I have developed a trade that never will lose, and I'm going to give this signal out for free, one of them in tier 1 and 2. I'm going to give it unlimited to people in tier 3. The trade cannot miss, will not miss unless, and I give God all glory, unless God wants it to miss. I'm telling you right now that I have developed a trade I'm calling the Holy Grail trade that just will win. It's going to be 99.99% accurate. And I'm telling you, listen to what I'm telling you. We have a 100% win rate on the first tiers, right? I back tested gold, 100% win rate. I'm telling you, these are great, outstanding results. Trust me, the average, I believe the average is only a 55% win rate for all signal services. We're at 100%. But I'm telling you, the Holy Grail trade is that much better. Unless God turns a buy stop into a sell stop and a sell stop into a buy stop, it cannot miss when I make this call. Just saying. That's all I'm telling you. And that is going to be a free gift from BNI also. If you're in the signal room 1 or 2, you're going to get one of those a month. If you're in signal tier 3 signal room, you'll get unlimited of those a month. Okay, so that's it. Now that's self-promoting. Sorry, I guess grin and bear it because that's what you get. And by the way, look at this shit. You're in the money on the NAS buy stop. I told you just to do. Okay, here you go. I told you to do the NAS buy stop. I told you it was going to happen overnight. I told you that it was a 1 hour, 4 hour. I told you just saw it. How did I know? Because the pink crossed the purple. You enter in, you're in the money. Hello? Did anyone out there listen to me say this? Anyone at all? There's your trade. You would have got either on preferably the green line or the yellow line, and there's your money. You see that candle? Called out live. You want to know what my win is? What I win, my win percentage? How much? There it is. Every day for 100 videos, I'm sorry, over 1,000 videos, you can see me trade live and make these calls right in front of your eyes. Boop. Anybody see that? Yes or no? Anybody here? Look at it go up before your very eyes. I said NAS, SPX will go up. I'm assuming SPX is following. Let's take a look. Yep, SPX in the money, NAS in the money. Now, US 30 may be going up too. I did not call US 30 to go up. I want US 30 to dip. So I'm not going to play US 30. NAS, though, perfection. Right on cue, right as I'm talking to you all. There was also a 1 minute. There you go, fly. It always turns on the 1 minute, Jan. So when you're seeing the 1 minute go to the buy stop, technically, the 1 hour buy stop is a reflection of the 1 minute. It's called fractals. Properly lined up, you'll see a 1 minute buy, a 5 minute buy, a 15 minute buy, a 30 minute buy, and a 1 hour buy. It just fractals down. Nice, Jamie Rojo, $300. Nice. Woo! Can't wait to eat tomorrow. 72-hour fast, 2 days dry, 1 day water. I'll break it tomorrow. All right, so there's your NAS, real life, real time. And this is why this is so important with the sniper. When you see this pink cross that purple, look at it. Look when it did it. And I told you that overnight this was going to be a buy stop because of it. Oh, how many pips is that? How many did that go up? It's not very much. It only looks not very much. That is almost 50 pips. The average professional trader makes 10 in a day. You'd have made 50 pips if you'd have listened to that call on demo only, of course. Wow. Hope you all enjoyed that one. That was fun. All right, what else do we offer besides the signal rooms? We have the sniper add-on. That's $150 a month. Add-on doesn't mean it's included. That means it's $150 a month extra. I'm telling you, between me, you, and God, I will never without the sniper, and I can trade without anything. But as stupid not to have the assistance of the sniper. I would sell everything I own other than memorial stuff, my family and kid stuff and Bree stuff. I would sell everything else. If I had a car, I would sell it and get a junk car and spend money on this. I'm not telling you all to do it. I'm telling you what I would do. The sniper is the most important tool in trading because it's nothing more, and I don't want to get too technical with you guys, than the Bach broken out. You see these two right here? These lines, if I go down to a lower time frame, you'll see one of these turn red, probably on the 15-minute. Hold on. Yep, turn red, maybe even the 30. Yep, turn red on the 30. So this is, when you see this break, it's what happens when you see the 1 hour pull. I don't want to get too much into it, but it is. So it's nothing more, the sniper is nothing more than the Bach pull down. So you guys can see it easier, that's all. Look at that trade. Look at that gorgeous fucking trade. How much are we doing on this thing? I'll have to go there and look in a second. Just perfection. You're seeing it live. You can't deny it. That's why no one ever calls in and debates me. Well, I'm having a little trouble with my phone right now with the holder stand, but I can probably still try it. But at any rate, no one debates whether the system works because it works every time. I can apply the rules and trade the rules and go back 6 months if you have enough memory. Hell, and thing, I don't know how much they allow you in trading view, but in MetaTrader 4, you can go back a year. And the rules are the rules and will always work. Period. They don't repaint. They never change. They're always right here. Always. Imagine that. It's amazing. So that's the sniper. Last thing we have is the scammer rooms. I already showed you what those were, $50 a month, the sniper and the signals. That's it. Anybody have any questions? 11:40 p.m. It has to be on Forex time, Jan. On there like 3, like it is right now. It'll tell you that. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Any at all? TikTok, no questions? Sweet. If you'd like to get the system, which I'm terrible at doing, I'm going to try to do right now, go ahead and head on over, boop-a-dee-bop-a-dee-boo, to right there, thesafetytrade.com to buy it. $575 for the year. I wouldn't get the one-on-one for $770. We only had, 12 people this past Monday, and only 5 people showed up for the meeting. So it's virtually one-on-one anyways. I wouldn't waste the money getting it. Is that self-promotion? Don't buy the more expensive thing? Dumbasses in this world. All right, I think I want to talk freely. I'm going to go off of TikTok and head over to YouTube. Thank you for the rating of 10, D nice. I'm going to head over to YouTube for a minute so I can at least talk freely because the people on TikTok just drive me nuts. They're so pussy-ass fucking waste. All right. Now, you're welcome, Shannon. All right, fantastic live night. Everybody, I guess we'll just go from here. Everybody want to rate it? A 10, I did pretty good tonight. A 1, I did horrible. Anywhere in between, including 1, give me a reason why. Otherwise, your reason's invalidated. 10, hey, if it's an 8, say, hey, Kev, this, whatever, and I'll try to improve it for the next time. 1,000 million, whatever that is. Thank you, Raider Trader. 10, 11. Thank you, Jan. Thank you, George. Okay, so we're doing pretty good then. All right, let me see what my last trade was. Hold on a second. Oh, yeah. It was down to 9. And there we, boom, baby. There you go. Now at 12. 10.5. That's an interesting. I mean 11. Cora, you're funny. Ted Parker says 7. Ted, I'm not sure if you mean 7 you agree or 7 that you mean a 7. Give me a reason, Ted, or you're just lost. I don't give a 2 fucks what you say. So if you give anything but a 10, let me have a reason so I can learn from it. If you don't give a reason, fall off. I don't care. 1 minute plays blue line finally clicked for me tonight. Nice, Jackson Andre. Yay, it'll all start clicking. I promise, Jackson. You just got to hang in there. All right. This is my trade from earlier today. The one I called out for you at 5 o'clock in the morning. I took it a little later, but still right there. And there you go to buy it at thesafetytrade.com. Okay. Do. All right. So I gave Ted Parker to come back in. He didn't say anything. See ya. All right, guys. God bless you all. Have a great night. See you in the morning. Hopefully not too early. I really want to catch it around 8 o'clock in the morning, but I'm getting up like at 4:30, and I just come on the live, so I don't know what to say. We'll see. If I'm not on at 5 or 6, I should be on around 8:30 tomorrow morning. We'll see how it goes. All right. Night all. God bless you all. Have a great evening. Talk to you then. Good night. See ya.